In this video, I'll guide you through how to find internships on Indeed. Whether you're a student, a recent graduate, or someone changing careers, using Indeed effectively can really speed up your search and help you discover better opportunities faster. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through the basic process, searching for internships, choosing a location, and applying useful filters so you're not overwhelmed by irrelevant listings. Let's start at the Indeed homepage. When you arrive, you'll see a search bar, usually split into two parts, one for what you're looking for and one for where you want to find it. We'll begin with the what field, since that's what tells Indeed you're specifically looking for internships. Click into the search bar and type the word internship. If you're open to any kind of internship and just want to see what's out there, leaving it as a simple internship search is totally fine. However, if you already have a field in mind, you'll get more relevant results by combining your interest with the word internship. For example, you might type marketing internship, software engineering internship, or graphic design internship. Adding the field plus internship helps Indeed focus on roles that match your career goals instead of showing you every internship available. Take a moment to think about the type of work you'd actually like to do. If you're unsure, you can try a few variations in the search bar. For instance, you might search communications internship first, then adjust to social media internship to see which results feel like a better fit. You can always return to this field and refine your keywords as you learn more about what's out there. Next, move to the location field. This is where you tell Indeed where you want to work. If you already know the city or region you're targeting, type that in here. For example, you might enter a specific city, a broader area like a region, or even leave it as your current location if Indeed detects it automatically. Choosing a location is especially important if you want an in-person or hybrid role, since many internships are tied to a physical office or campus. If you're open to remote opportunities, look for the option to choose remote or a similar setting in the location box or within the filters later on. This can be helpful if you're not able to relocate but still want access to a wider range of internships. Once you've entered your search term and chosen a location, go ahead and run the search. After the results load, this is where filters become very useful. Somewhere near the top or side of the results, you'll see options to refine your search. While the exact filters can change over time, they often include things like job type, salary range, experience level, or distance from a certain location. Applying filters is how you narrow hundreds of postings down to a manageable list. For internships, you might focus on job type to make sure you're only seeing internships and not full-time roles. You can also adjust distance if you only want positions close to home. If there's a filter for experience level, selecting the entry level or internship option can help remove more advanced roles that aren't a match right now. Take a moment to apply the filters that matter most to you, then review how your results change. You can always turn filters on or off and tweak your search terms as you go. By combining a clear keyword like marketing internship, a suitable location, and a few smart filters, you'll make Indeed work much harder for you and turn a huge list of jobs into a focused set of real opportunities worth exploring.